Alright guys, hello, this is William Jeremy here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to migrate the UIKit project to this SwiftUI project, and basically how to use SwiftUI, the latest framework for user interface, to combine this SwiftUI as well as RealityKit, so you can make an augmented reality app and using the latest technology of SwiftUI. So it will be a great fun. So let's get started. So this will be this is a project that I already made for you guys. This is the AI demo code with Benjamin. I just draw that, and of course I also made a AI ruler app that's using UIKit, and this will have a functionality of a start and tab it and the end and calculate distance, right? So these two projects is really similar. We got the similar UI layouts. We got the two buttons here, so I can even add more buttons to that. So and of course I can even add a logo at this approximately this area, but that will be a PNG. If you watch my previous video, it will be a PNG, so it will float it above that using Z stack. So yeah, that will be a great fun. Let's get to it. So yeah, and before we get started, by the way, I have a small favor to ask you guys, and that's because yeah, as you guys can see, I'm a really small YouTuber, and I got a really small bedroom for my like the ad hoc studio to record videos for you. I am really hardworking. I update video every day, and I really need to generate a positive cash flow so I can bring bread and milk to my table. And the best way to support this channel, to support me, is to is to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. I am trying to reach the monetization hurdle, and it really helped me a lot. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So we got this code of MV model. So we got a model and view. I think I can put the coordinator as a model here, so it will be tab model or something like that. I think if you're using MVC, it will be much better because you got a sort of controller functionality. But yeah, I think I can just put the coordinator here, Swift file, and let's create that to to tab, I think, or coordinator. Let me just use coordinator for that. So coordinate, so I can just use much of the code because we're using the same name convention. Just put that sort of just put that anywhere inside of this project, and you can reference it. So it's coordinator, and let's create it. We got a coordinator, and don't worry, we already written down most of the code. So the coordinator will be something like this. So you don't need to worry, just to copy everything and go back to here. And I think, yeah, this is this is wrong place here. So I can just replace it with the original code. And right now the coordinator got the tab this the Objective-C code serve as the tab gesture recognizer, and we got this lazy bar. We don't need it, in fact. So this just UIKit method of generating buttons. We don't need that. This button, we don't need that, so comment that out. We got this fun UI, which is convenient because we don't need that. So basically, we comment everything code out, every code out, and the only thing left would be the tab. Okay, so if you tab it, you got the gesture, you got the raycast, and hit the surface, and generate a starting point as well as the end point, and using this SIMD distance to calculate distance. And yeah, this text we don't need that because this would just access the distance label and change the text to a certain string and format that, so we don't need that as well. So whoops, that's a lot of code down, and let's go back to content view. I think content view basically, let me refresh that for you. Content view will just say a Z stack, a V stack, Z stack. We got AR view container below, and we got a V stack, and got the logo, got a button view. Button view, I think I got two buttons. One is show some text, the other is pressed. Yeah, let's change that. So the button can show text. This is reset button and this is press button. I think I might just adding another. Yeah, button can show text, so I can change the text in the button, right? And I can use a text view for that. So yeah, we got a lot of options. So I think I might as well just use text for that. So we got this. Let me go back. Sorry. Yep. UI coordinator. Yep. Here, and we got this content view, and yeah, sorry, this is another original. Yeah, pretty strange. I can't find this anywhere. Yeah, here. Okay, we got this bottom view, and let's add some text field so I can just say the text, and then the text will be some, yeah, let's use placeholder for that. So the distance. Yeah, so then I can use say something like this to access that. Right now the distance will be distance and then a empty point. So we got text and spacer and button, a spacer, a button, a spacer. I think I might add spacer here. I'm really fan of spacer, so I really love the spacer. So yeah. Button, and this will be show some text. So this will be access of our show model. Right now we don't need this show model, in fact. So yeah, so maybe this button will be say reset, and yeah, we don't need that as well. We just need a reset button. So I think I can just comment it out. Yeah, in fact, comment out. We got text, distance, and this will be say reset, and yeah, show text reset. Yeah, this will be print. Yeah, we don't need that as long as you got this reset. There's a reset button, and yeah, play, like reset. Yeah, I can live with it. Okay, so yeah, this show we don't actually need it, but let's just comment out in case we need it. And let's go back to content view and look at our project. Show we don't need show because we are never going to pass in any of the info. Can't find show in scope. That's because we don't need that. So let's comment out. Show we don't need that. Delete it. Refresh it. Okay, so we don't need this observed object. Delete it. Right, and go back to content view and just wait for it to load. We can't do that, so let's look at field to build. We got show some text, update of it. Yeah, the updates mesh resources reference show, so we don't need that. And yeah, I think that's pretty much yeah, basically we're going to get every show in our scope, state variable, initializer, starting point. There's no starting point, end point. Our text. Yeah. I think we got a loads of things to fix. Yeah, so we really messy. I think maybe I'm going to restart that. I think that's better because let's think about it. Maybe the restart will save much more time. Okay. All right. On the second thought, I think we should stick with this one. Great. So we just need to comment out a lot of things. So this one, yeah. Just comment everything out and adding our code of our own. Bottom view. We already delete that button. Change that to reset button, and this will be a text. So let's go to the content view. I think this should be good. Okay, so it's magical core initializer. Alright, so the coordinator got a lot of error. Endpoint. Yep. Beginning point and end point. Yeah, so we haven't registered the coordinator at the AR container here. So let's go back to here. So at the AR view container, we got found main AR view, and then return AR view, and of course make coordinator like this. And I think maybe let's get all that. Yeah. So AR view container, right? Yep, I think I might as well just comment out every line in the AR view container. Yeah. The reason for I'm not making a completely new project is that I can quickly reference this project in one page. Right, so we got AR view container, AR view, tracking configuration, can't find in scope. That is because we haven't been able to get all the imports working. So get all the import working. This should solve the problem. And we need to reference the AR view container. Ignore safe area all, because we're going to reference that in the content view. So here be our AR view container. All right, and let's see. Another coordinator matching problem, no exact matches to call. We haven't installed the coordinator yet, so let's go to the content view. In fact, let's look at here, because we got struct AR view container that then install the configuration as well as the AR view. So let's add all this bunch of code to make UI view in AR view container. So AR view container, make AR view container. Yeah, I think I already pasted everything here, and then return AR view. I think I already pasted. So yeah, add gesture. Okay, and have no initialize UI. Alright, so we don't need the coordinator initialize UI, so delete this one, and then let's go to the coordinator. Alright, we don't have initialize UI. That's good. Then look at here, value area has no member of coaching overlay view, so we haven't added the coaching overlay Did I add coach overlay here? If we contain the bottom view, we haven't got the coaching. So did I got the coaching overlay here? We did not. Every container, we haven't got any coaching. Yeah, we already got that, but I haven't. I just coming out yet. Yeah, so we can get this extension of ARView extension. I made this coaching overlay as well. So yeah, let's just copy everything. ARView extension, and let me create another extension here. Yeah. Make a group called extensions. Do I add S? Yes, add S. And we need to create a new file. SwiftUI will be good, and that will be ARView extensions. Okay, so ARView extensions .swift. Okay, and paste everything here. So we get the coaching overlay view, and let's say in the ARView container. Yeah, so it will solve this complaint. Then ARView ARView coordinator, ARView extension to content view, ruler app, coordinator, contents. Yeah, we haven't make coordinates here, so let's go to coordinator, go back to the ARView container. ARView container, make coordinator. Yeah, I think I already made that. Yeah, then updates UI view, update UI view. Yeah, nothing wrong about that. And I think I solved all the complaint. Maybe two. No, because I have an initializer. Yeah, we haven't got an initializer. Entity. First tab, ARView anchor entity. Yep. So well, a little bit strange. Maybe I haven't installed it. So yeah, come to the coordinator. No exact matches coordinator. Rake has the first layer, allowing ARView. Yeah, a little bit strange. Maybe some parentheses problem. Yeah, I'm possibly certain is a parentheses problem, and let's see. Not exact. Yeah, let's think about it for a few seconds. Alright, I'm possibly certain that because I haven't got the physical device connected to my computer, and sometimes Xcode will give you error because you haven't got the actual environments set up. So as long as I got my physical device up, everything is okay. So as you guys can see, this is my little room. This is how I record my video. We got a little screen here. This is my helmet, my bike, and yeah. So we need to this. As you guys can see, we got the coaching actually working, and that looks pretty good. And as you guys can see, I got a really small room, and I haven't got money to actually rent a studio. So please, guys, please subscribe to my video and subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumb up so I can actually rent a studio and make more work and actually put bread and milk on my table. Thank you so much for your support, and let's do it. Let's try this tabbing and whether we can actually put some virtual text to this environment, right? And as I can see, we got the distance working. Okay, this is SwiftUI. This is SwiftUI. This is AR demo code with Benjamin. This is the thing I draw, and let me tab it here, right? Let me tab it here. Tab it. All right, we got star here, start, and as you guys can see, you got thickness of a star. That's pretty good. Okay, let's go to here. Right, we got a start and we got an end. That's perfect. Okay, so we actually got a SwiftUI as well as our UIKit code working. So we basically solved the problem using two methods, but we haven't got the distance and the button, the actual reset button work. So we haven't got the measuring of distance and the passing of information to distance here work, but it doesn't matter. We already achieved a lot, and I think this video is quite a bit longer, so I'm going to pause it here, and in the next video I'm going to show you guys how to calculate distance between these two and print distance here, and we can reset everything here. Right, so yeah, do please subscribe to my channel, and bye.